Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to block a show in a certain profile on your Netflix account. So let's go over your profile right here, and it will open up this window. Then choose Manage Profiles. So go over there and then click on that profile that you want to block show on. So let's say I want to block a show for my brother, so I will click on my brother. Now this will open up this edit window, and you have to go down here to maturity settings and click edit. Now here you have to put your password in order to continue. So put your password right here and press continue. Now you can select this profile as a kids profile. So check this and it will automatically select only kids friendly movies and TV shows. Or you can search for an exact title. So let's see, let's search for some title, click on it, and you can add more titles as well and click on it. If you change your mind and you want to deselect it for some reason, then just do it right here, press this X icon, and if you have your titles and shows selected, click on save. So now everything that you have just selected, the profile brother will not see it. So let's see. I click on my brother, then press search right here and search for Suits. As you can see, Suits is not coming up. So this show is now hidden from this account. This is how you block a show. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.